Alright, bike check. Let's take it from the top. I got Black Ops grips. They're just like ODIs, so I got them. Some really crappy bar ends. I got Demolition Suburbans. Oh yeah. I got them for Christmas. They're 8.6 rise by 30 wide. And I got a Sputnik stem. A stem's a stem, so I kept it. Got a Shadow. Hold on. Shadow. Yeah, that's it. Eastern Trail Digger frame. My other frame broke, so I had to use this one. Stock forks. Those are the only two things that are stock on my bike. So don't just leave because I have two stock things on my bike. Anyway, my tire is an Aaron Ross tire, front and back. I have a aight Exodus rim laced to a stolen roulette, shadow spokes, and duo nipples. And my peg is a shadow little one. And my seat is Hoffman, a new Hoffman signature seat. It's pretty sick. Thermalite seat post, integrated seat clamp. I got these new Animal Akimbo cranks, Eastern pedals that I love. Crank and Brown sprocket, shadow, KMC premium chain. My back wheel is a Black Sheep laced to a Demolition Roke cassette, but I made it quiet because I don't know. I just got tired of the loudness. And oh yeah, my bottom bracket is Odyssey. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. All right. Thank you. Subscribe. It's my bike. Penis.